How to add debit card on Google Wallet. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can easily do this. First of all, open the application. So we in this home page. Now here on the right bottom, you can find this plus icon. Simply tap on this plus icon. So this is the section where you can add different wallets. Here there's another section of payment card. Simply tap on payment card, and on the bottom tap on add a payment card. So it will take some time. Now you have two different options. So you can directly scan your debit card, or you can easily enter it manually. So it's up to you. Now here I'm entering all my details. So after entering all your details, tap on save and continue. So it will easily verify it and the card will be added too. Thank you for watching this video. I hope this video will help you.